Hello and welcome to this PRISMA tutorial. My name is Frederick from PRISMA Customer Care, and in this video I will talk about an incremental auction example and the importance of the multiple offer levels for a successful booking. In this example, the TSOs offer 3 different offer levels, the already existing capacity and 2 additional incremental capacities. Say you only bid for the already existing capacity, offer level 0. After the auction is completed, the results are processed by the TSOs similar to any auction performed on the platform. However, your bid will have a pending status different from a regular auction while the TSOs do some economic tests. When the economic tests are done, the TSOs advise the agreed successful offer level to PRISMA. In our example, the TSOs decided to go with offer level 1. Since you only bid on offer level 0, you will not be allocated any capacity, although you might have been successful in the initial level 0 auction. The point here is that you will need to bid in all marketed offer levels if you want to be allocated capacity, no matter which offer level is chosen. You do not have to worry about receiving more capacity than you want. Only one offer level can be chosen by the TSOs. Therefore, only one of your auctions for this capacity will be successful in the end, and you will only need to pay for the one successful booking. This leads us to another important topic, the impact of incremental auctions on your credit limit, which I will explain in the Incremental Auction credit limit video. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the PRISMA Customer Care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.